Hey everybody, this is Tammy Who, and I am on this video in cahoots with Just Poe, aka Poe Justice. If you guys haven't already subscribed to his channel, please go ahead and do so now. Make sure you like, share, comment on this video, get these messages out. They are very important and they are the start of what we like to think is a revolution to finally get justice in this corrupt state and hopefully spread to more states throughout. So let's get right into the video. Do you guys all remember George Zimmerman that killed Trayvon Martin here in Florida? Well, it's not about him. It is about this guy. Do you guys know who this is? This is Daniel Megaro. That is the man who, at the time in 2013, not reprimanded, represented George Zimmerman in that case where they said he choked his wife. So he has since transferred, Megaro has since transferred to Volusia County. He's been in Volusia County for quite some time. This is him right here. This is his current, well, not that current photo because he's blew up even more than that. He looks like, what's the man name? On the Adams Family. Y'all know who I'm talking about. I shouldn't do this. But that's Daniel Dominic Megaro. He's the assistant state attorney in Volusia County, Florida. He works at the Deland courthouse. That is his bar information, the address, phone number, and information right there if you guys need it. Um Hopefully you guys can make some calls after I discuss this video with you. So he is one and so many that we'll be going over the next, I don't know, few months. It's going to take a while to get through these people, guys. It's a lot of people involved. Um so we're going to go over a few things that he's been doing, from witnesses accounts and defendants and people who have been going through it themselves, from people sitting inside the courthouses, like at other people's cases they overhear things. The first thing, and I'm actually reading this off of something. So there was a young lady, a witness that was sitting in the stands one day. She was there for someone else's case, and Megaro and Judge Nichols were in the courtroom together, and they called a young man's name. I do have the name here, but I'm not going to say it. Um, they called a young man's name. His attorney stood up for him. The witness accounts where Judge Nichols and Megaro stated that they would like to have a warrant out for the young man, in which the attorney asked why he hadn't done anything. They both stated that they felt like they should have him arrested to make sure he's at his next court date. Mind you, he has an attorney. The attorney can come for the person, so he hasn't done nothing wrong by not being present that day. They were trying to illegally arrest the man and have him in jail to make sure he's at a court date in the future. You can't do that. You have to wait until the person doesn't show or something and then have a warrant out for their arrest for no show. You can't just arrest people because you want them to be somewhere. Um, the next thing that happened, from witness accounts, or is happening, is Magaro tends to have a very bad habit of threatening um, defendants with more time and more charges if they do depositions. I can show you guys proof on another video of what I mean by that. That way you'll know I'm for sure telling the truth. You'll see on a lot of defendants' cases where there was deposition scheduled and they always get canceled and they never happen. And that's a lot of cases. Or you'll see where depositions aren't done at all ever. Um, he has a habit of threatening that if people want to see their fingerprint and lab results, that they'll slap more time on them, more charges on them as well. Everyone has a right to a trial and a fair trial. And this is disgusting and illegal behavior that's being done in this courthouse. And the judges, the attorneys, even the other prosecutors, no one is checking this behavior. It's ongoing and it's been going on for a long time unchecked. Another thing that witnesses state that he also does is he will go by a person's address or location they were arrested, in which we already know what that means. He's looking for people in the lower class neighborhoods, and he's telling these people, even if they're there for simple charges, he's telling them that they have to give him information on local shootings and drug deaths, or he's going to give them more time. He doesn't care if it leads back to arrest or anything, but they need to put people's name on a paper. It's disgusting behavior, and I know a lot of people are going to DM Just Poe, aka Poe Justice, and say that that happened to them because we have so many people already contacted us about this. It is disgusting. Like, you guys, it's almost unbelievable the vastity of this. There's so many people involved, and you have to note that obviously for this to go on, there has to be a mass amount of people involved, right? Because if he was just doing this, but there were good judges and good attorneys, it would have been checked by now. But you have even the attorneys going against their own defendants here locally in Volusia County and even the surrounding areas, Orlando, Flagler, things like that. If you are arrested for something and it's serious, at least please do not get an attorney from around the area. Go way down south to Miami. Try to go to another state if you can. These attorneys are even corrupt, and they're the main ones that could actually prevent and stop this stuff, but they're not. The judges are next in line, and they're just as bad at allowing it, and they're all taking up for each other. So this is Megaro here, Daniel Megaro. He's of Volusia County, again, Deland, Florida, assistant state attorney. Um, he does look a little different than this, I should say. He's gained a lot of weight. Um, but yes, guys, this video is about him. On this one, we're gonna have some more upcoming videos about the Foxmans again and go in more detail about that and try to give you guys some knowledge on what you guys um, can do or what it looks like to fight your case. Even if you feel like it's not helping, you need to get stuff on the record, guys. You got to file stuff, get stuff on the record so that at appeals or even Supreme Court later, you have all this stuff documented. But that's my time for now. I hope I help you guys out, and I will see you guys next time on the next video. Thanks, Just Poe, for allowing me to get on this video and assist. Y'all have a great day.